Hello, and thanks for joining. Today, I'll show you how to easily allow a website to access your camera in the Brave browser. Whether you're joining a video call or using a web app, granting camera access is simple and quick. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Brave browser. Next, tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Then, from the menu options, select Settings. After that, look to the left side and tap on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down and tap on Site and Shield Settings. Moving on, scroll down to the Permissions section and tap on Camera. Finally, choose the option. Sites can ask to use your camera to allow websites to request camera access when needed. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to enable camera access in Brave. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.